What's good, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Let's head out into the garage. I think it's a little chilly out here, but we need some money to work on the 240 and the SR. So taking on a side job today. As you can tell, some progress. Dash there, glove box, interior pieces, fenders. A little deep in both builds right now. Spare trunk lid, the knuckles, suspension parts, whatever. So this thing currently pretty gutted. Gonna be putting a dash in it. Ooh, forgot there's no seals on the door. But a few pieces I need before I put the dash in it. And then really need to get the rear glass out of this car. Finish sanding everything down. I've worked on the quarter panel and stuff. But it's pretty much as far as I've got. I was just blinding the crap out of you guys to life, right? Yeah, doors sanded out, fender is in epoxy, black trunk lid on, tail panel covered in Stillet. It's getting there, slowly but surely. For a guy I work with to get here, and I'm thinking maybe we're doing like a valve cover gasket and ABS sensors, just some random stuff on this car. It's like a Hyundai, Elantra, or Sonata or something. Yeah. Alright, so I want to do a little bit of garage cleanup while I wait. And drill bit here. This is for the dash, so I left this side out. Some aluminum strips. Use those for like intercooler piping or random brackets or whatever. This hood's got to be, I mean, the hood's pretty awful, so no, the broom's not hurting it one bit at all. And you can see how much dust is in here. Just need to sweep all that out, get some more random stuff here cleaned up. Like this is trash, and really need to go get a tote or something. I want to box up as much of the random parts and stuff as I can, and we're trying to make as much as we can out of a little small garage space. And just start sweeping up for now. And all my tools are in a bag right now, so my toolbox is pretty empty. I'm gonna be working out of my backpack. I had them all from when I was working on the Gold car. I took my own tools over to my buddy's garage instead of going through his toolbox and stuff. So my toolbox is currently in shambles, but I haven't messed with this car in a little bit, so. Yeah, up front's a little rough. Yeah, so this is why you should wear a mask, even though honestly I'm really bad about not doing it. Just because they're aggravating and they get hot. But, I mean, you sand one panel, and this ain't even all off the panel. Like I've sanded and cleaned and then went back and did some more sanding. This is just from the last time I was sanding. And look at all that. Really shouldn't do this with the garage connected to the house. But you gotta work with what we got. And we're working on that. So if you can give a quick little comment, like, and subscribe so we can get an actual shot, that would be pretty good. But I had to grab my keys. I need to move my car real quick so I can use this concrete pad to work, and then just have the car. Yeah, just have the car up here, and you know. So much freaking dust.
That makes sense.
Too bad the rotor's hot as shit.
Damage or something?
Yeah, should be chair there.
Oh, that's good. Yeah. Okay, well, thank you for bringing that to my attention. Get some new ones here soon.
real quick. Magnet in it. Picks up there, I guess, and then every time it makes a rotation,
Teethed? Or?
No, it just sits in there, and as it spins, assuming.
I wonder how it reads then. Because normally there's like.
Unless you get more than some of the back of this may have to come off, like this part. I could see if it had somewhere that it sit in.
No, that's
I really don't think so. I'm pretty sure it's just a magnet in it. I'm assuming it's got a magnet, you know, somewhere up here, and then one in there encased in the plastic, and then every time it comes around, like a full revelation.
Oh yeah.
Would be my guess, because that's literally all there is to it.
Oh, it's an electrical magnet current.
I just didn't want to beat the living crap out of it. Alright, so got that job finished up a little bit ago, took a shower, and it's time for food. But I think after that, I'm going to come back and tackle maybe a bit of the garage. But yeah, productive day. And we got a few geckos, and we clean their tanks out a little bit. And I don't know what we'll do after that. Probably just chill some more. Alright, let's get Groot's tank finished up. Groot is a female crested gecko. My other crested gecko, Thor, is male. So we got this Thrive Habitat cleaning spray, breaks down enzymes, or with enzymes to break down solids, my bad. Lightly scented to help neutralize odors. The scented thing's kind of... First off, I'm going to take his food out of here. Doesn't look like he really ate much last night. There's no tongue prints or anything in it. So I have these, this little ledge from Pangea. Magnetic, really strong magnets, as you can tell. Let's separate that. Yeah, he's bad about making a mess in that. This little log here. Go ahead and take the log out, which it is actually pretty clean visually. water bowl. It always gets grass and stuff tracked in it. No, not grass, it's soil. Got these 2 tabs here. Unlock that. And that'll let us pull out his marijuana plant here. So, meanwhile, you can use whatever. I'm just going to use some hand soap for now. We'll come back with the disinfectant in a minute. Alright, so back at the tank. I'm going to get rid of this old food. I'm going to clean out this soil. I'm just going to give it a good mist with the disinfecting spray. And let it sit for a second. Go ahead and get rid of this old food. Alright, hot rag, some Dawn dish soap. Nice little circular motions. And something, see if I can find my razor blade in a second. Our glass is looking a lot better, other than, I don't know if you can see it. Just the edge here. McDonald's cupping it. So majority of the soil is out. Glass is fairly clean. There's still a few spots. It is definitely a pain getting this like perfect. A little bit in the corners, but overall not bad. You can see homie's peeking out up there. A lot of movement going around inside his tank, so he's probably wondering what the heck's going on. Cleaned out my normally it's my cricket keeper. Disinfected it, washed it out, threw some paper towels in there. I'm gonna try to get little dude, if I could get him to come to me, get him in there, put him in there so I can cut this out. I want to redo this background and stuff. Eventually I want to switch on tanks entirely, but yeah, that's pretty much the gist of what I do. Razor blade scrape it, get all the dirt and stuff out of it. I do want to switch to a bioactive setup like I have in my other tank, but I think I'll just do it with the bigger tank, honestly. And then turn this tank into something else. I'm not really sure yet. So that's pretty much the gist of it, guys. I know this one was all over the place. I wanted to try something new, give you guys car content, gecko content, a little bit of food content, sort of, not really. Another hobby of mine though. I'm a foodie. But yeah, so just trying things differently, try to do more POV in this one. If you guys like this style, if you guys like my other style, if you guys want a whole different style, let me know in the comments. If you made it this far, thank you. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the little bell so you get notifications, and see you guys on the next one.